Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting comparison between two advanced AI models, Grok-3 and ChatGPT. Our goal, to see how these two AI handle real-world tasks, specifically routing and mapping. We'll be using Google Colab to test their capabilities, and we'll also explore some of their unique features like DeepSearch in Grok-3 and search in ChatGPT. So stay tuned to find out which AI comes out on top. Before we jump into the test, let's take a quick look at lmarena.ai. This website ranks all kinds of AI models, giving us a snapshot of how they perform. It's a great starting point for anyone curious about AI capabilities, and you can dig into all the details there yourself. Today, we'll be focusing on Grok-3 and ChatGPT, so let's head over to their respective platforms and get started. Okay, on one side the Grok-3 and the other side ChatGPT. First, in Grok-3, we're going to activate the Deep Search feature. This is supposed to give us more accurate and detailed results. And in ChatGPT, we'll enable the search option to see how it performs with external data. Alright, here's the plan. I'm going to pose the exact same question to both Grok-3 and ChatGPT and compare their responses. The question is, write a Google Colab script that sets a central location in Istanbul and plots routes for 4 tourist attractions. Each attraction should be marked with a symbol and labeled with its name. Simple enough, right? But let's see how these AIs tackle it. Grok-3 needs verification before we proceed. I handle that quickly. ChatGPT's already got an output for us and handed a script. Time to put it to the test in Google Colab. Here we are in Google Colab. Let's paste ChatGPT's code and hit run. And here's the output. It's not quite what we wanted. The routes aren't plotting correctly. Grok-3 on the other side has explained everything in text, but we need a Google Colab code. So let's ask for the code. Okay, Grok-3 has given us an updated script. Back to Colab and trying this one. And done. This is the output of Grok-3. But the routing still needs some work. I'm gonna ask the AIs for improved routing. Here, better routing was achieved, looking better than previous one. There is an error popping up. Looks like an issue with the API key or data format. Let's ask the AI to fix it. Since the code was written in pieces, I asked the AI to give me the code in a unified manner. Here you see the output incorrect. So I asked for the corrected code. And finally, this is the output of Grok-3. What do you think? Is it reliable? Well, from my point of view, both AIs nailed the task, plotting routes with markers and labels as asked, but they went about it differently. For example, Grok-3 leaned on the volume library for its maps, while ChatGPT chose plotting. Both work great, just with different visual vibes. ChatGPT, though, was super quick and easy to refine, as we saw with all those iterations. So it's a trade-off, speed and simplicity with ChatGPT or potentially richer detail with Grok-3 if you're patient. That's it for today's comparison. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.